the heart, my journey start. Every scar a song, every pain a part. Road get rough, but my spirit strong. Your love the compass all along. Every stumble turn to grace, every mile lead to your face. From the heel to the heart, me carry you through the trials, me walk into every rhythm, every scar. Lead me closer to where you are. Night get long, but me still press through. Every sunrise, me think of you. From me step till me final breath, your love, the song conquered it. Oh, every road me travel on, love the rhythm, keep me strong. From the hill to the heart, me carry you through the trials, me walk into every rhythm, every scar. Lead me closer to